Hello again, and welcome to another of my instructional painting videos. And in this episode I'm going to show you how to prepare a canvas panel with a tinted ground in oils. Now this has very many benefits when painting over the top, and I'll show you some of those benefits in later videos. So in the meantime, let's get cracking on a painted ground. Okay, I'm starting off here with a white canvas which I've previously lightly sanded just to get rid of any little lumps and bumps. And I'm now loading the brush with some liquid and some raw umber. And I'm going to add a little touch of burnt sienna or red just to warm it up a little bit. And then we go over the entire canvas with the brush. Just getting as much of it on there as you can and scrubbing it in. Generally going over the entire canvas so it's covered relatively evenly, and then with a nice soft cloth I'm just going to start to wipe off the excess paint so that you're left with a rather nice thin coloured toned ground. And this doesn't have to be very even, keep it nice and uneven, it creates more interest when you're doing the final painting over the top. And there you have it, one tinted ground.